Hi, today we are going to learn a JavaScript for loop, while loop, do while loop, and some case changing. So yeah, we're gonna make some files. So what is loop? From the word looping, is just doing the same thing many times, more than one time, but with some certain changes. So let's just understand that. So at first, let's call out this area. Okay. So now we called our test area. Let's see if it's working. Yes, well. So what is loop? So okay, let's learn the while loop. So when we say while loop, so we say now count equal to, let's say, 0. We're going to type while count is less than or equal to 5. Then we're going to do something. What you're going to do? We're going to say text in HTML plus equal to, let's say, an HTML tag called br, so to break the line. And we're going to type hello. Okay, hi. So this is what we want to add when the count is less than 0. And in this iteration, so the 0 is already less than 5. So you can run one time for sure because now it's true. Count is less than 0. So what I'm going to do, now what you're going to do, want to say count plus equal to 1. After each iteration, the count will add 1 into this. So see what happened. Now we have, first time we have 1 hello, then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hello. 1, 2, 3. Why we have 6 hello? Because we started from 0. So if we wanted to start from 0 and say less than 5, then we're going to have 5 hello. And the 1 is what before it was the main hello. I'm going to do something while the concept. So do while is a little bit different. It is like at first you run some program and then you add the condition. So what you're going to do, you're going to say do. We're going to say do in HTML plus equal to, let's say, if we don't have the beer tag, it will type in one line space. We're going to say 1. We're going to say do. So do requires a while tag. So we're going to say while. Now we're going to add the condition. So what the condition? We're going to say do while count is less than 5. And what we're going to do, we're going to add count plus equal to 1. So there's another way to do the plus equal to 1, just plus plus. So yeah, we see you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. But less than equal to 1. So this is while the while loop and do while loop. So these things are good, but there's another one which is more effective or we use more often. Most of the time we use that. We do not use, sometimes we use a do while or while loop, but most of the time we only use the another loop. It's called for loop. So for loop, if you type the same program for loop, what you're gonna do, because now we don't need the count variable here. The for loop is like same. The for loop is something that you can type all the conditions in one line, so more compact and more easy to use. So you can say for let's just say, let's give the variable name. You can say bar, let is a bar. Now we can say count, but we can say I equal to 0, and I is less than it is first time 5 and I plus. So this is the variable name. This is the condition, and this is what we want to do after we done one loop. So we want to add 1 to that count. So now you can say plus equal to space help. So it's the same thing. So this is the for loop. So now why we need loop and what we can do with it. So let's say we have a several city name like the forecast equal to array Dhaka. Yeah, we have this C cities name. So what I can do, we can change the HTML like that. We're gonna say I have traveled. And then we can add the city name. Cities maybe I traveled to Chicago last time. So we can work. I have traveled Chicago. So now let's just say I have traveled Rampur. So now it's Rampur. So you see that if we really wanted to if I wanted to these are the cities I have traveled. I want to show all the cities I have I have to travel. So what I can do, I can do this in React after now. Then I can copy this text, unless it is 0 in Dhaka, then I travel it along. Okay, here's the part. So each time I'm giving this in HTML and I'm removing the old stuff. So what I can do, I can add the plus equal to sign. So it never gonna change the before, it never gonna change its internal state. It's gonna add another line to it. So we have hello there. So it's I said so the first hello is from index.html, and now the second thing I just added. I never removed the hello. I just added the text or string into the new tag in the same tag, but by breaking the line. So yeah, I break the line and I travel. So what you can see, so if I wanted to show all 4 cities I have traveled, I have tried this 4 times. So now there is 4 cities I have traveled. So you can see it's already look verbose and it's not user friendly. So let's just copy this one, right, and remove that. So now we just learn for loop. So let's just use the for loop. Let I equal to 0. I is less than, we have 4 cities, 1, 2, 3, 4. I is less than 4 and I plus this. So now I can just paste the tag, the same line. Now I have just typed 1 time, and now you see this is like city 1. So now city 0, I wanted to add all the city I have traveled. So now from instead of 0, I can call the variable I, because at the first iteration I is 0, the second iteration I plus iteration I equal to 1, and then I equal to 2, then 3, then it's done, because it has to be less than 4. So now if you type the same thing. So now we don't have to type it 4 times, just type it 1 time. So that's what the for loop actually do. So it is really useful, so that we wouldn't have to type a lot of code like 1 or 2 times. It's very unusual. We can do one more thing. Like I type it 4, like only 4 cities are gonna be done. If I add 1 more city, that's gonna see that it never adds here, because I have 5 elements, but I said only 4 elements I wanted. So what I can do, the most good way, or the best way to do it is that I call city dot length. So now it's gonna be count by length. So cities dot length equal to now 5, because the length method gives us the length of the array itself. So yeah, now it's good. So why we need, what we can do with the for loop. So let's just say I wanted to do something. It's called I wanted to ask the user that which city he is from, and am I traveled to that city or not. So let's just comment on this. No, it's nothing. So I'm gonna prompt a variable user city equal to prompt. I'm gonna ask the user. I'm asking the user which city he is from. So now what I'm gonna do, now I'm gonna do is add the if condition. So if user city is equal to cities I've been traveled, so now it is gonna be I, but then I want the text in HTML unless plus equal to yes, I have traveled. Let's add the city name. It's so right. So now what happens? The moment the user city name and my city name is same, I'm not happy. So you can ask me which city I'm from, and I say, so yes, I have traveled Dhaka. So it's good. So what happens is if I have 2 Dhakas, let's just say 1 Dhaka, and I have another Dhaka. Maybe I made a mistake and I have 2 Dhakas. So what should I do? So you said I have Dhaka and Dhaka. So there's a part. So in the loop, you can break the loop anytime you want. You can, if the moment you return a value, the loop is stopped. But most of the time we use the break variable. The break, what break does, the moment it matches the value, or the moment this condition matches, if condition, the moment this part of the code run, and the break means break the loop. We don't need the loop now. So if I again say Dhaka, you see it break after the first time, because it doesn't have to know all other things, because the condition matches and now break it. So there is a catch. So you see my name are that like capitalized the sentence case, the D is capitalized, and then all of these monitors. If you just type all this monitor, so everything is false. So my program do not know that Dhaka and Dhaka is same. So what we can do, we have to just lowercase there's a method called to lowercase the user value, lowercase, and while we checking the city, because the city is in sentence case, so we have to change this to lowercase. Okay, now if we type that, I think it's going to give us the right. This is why we need the for loop and in case do while loop. So this is super easy. I hope you like it, and thank you.